I am Jethro Gonzalez Pisteo, 20, from Barangay San Miguel, Palampon, Leyte, and I am a third-year student of Palampon Institute of Technology, taking up the program Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. One example of a doctrine that is often debated and considered faulty or controversial by some Filipinos comes from the context of certain cult-like religious groups here in the Philippines. An example is the teaching from a group that claims their leader is the appointed Son of God, effectively elevating the leader to a divine messianic status. This teaching has been criticized for its potential to mislead followers into placing blind trust and absolute authority in a single human leader, rather than fostering a personal relationship with God or adhering to traditional Christian doctrines. This is very intriguing because it showcases how interpretations of Scripture can evolve in ways that lead to significant controversy and even societal impacts in a predominantly religious country like the Philippines. To refute the idea that a person can be the appointed Son of God, I would use philosophical ideas to ask simple but powerful questions and look for answers based on reason and facts. First, I would ask, can a human being ever be perfect like God? Philosophy teaches us to think critically, and we know that all humans make mistakes, no matter how good they seem. Even great leaders in history were not perfect. And next, I would ask, where is the proof? Philosophy encourages us to ask for evidence. If someone says they are chosen by God, they should be able to show proof that it's not just their own words. Just because they say it doesn't make it true. Finally, I would remind people of a basic idea from the Bible or any holy book they follow, that God is the only one with ultimate power. Philosophy helps us test if something makes sense with what we already know. If this person claims to take God's place or is worshipped like God, it doesn't match what most people believe about God being all-powerful and unchanging. By asking these questions and using reason, we can discover the truth. Philosophy teaches us not to believe something just because it sounds nice, but to think carefully and look for facts.